My grandmother taught me this method. Take a roll of toilet paper and soak it thoroughly under running water. Toilet paper has a structure that absorbs water really well. Once soaked, it holds a lot of water, making it perfect for the next steps. It's important that the paper is fully saturated. Now remove the cardboard tube from the center. When the paper is wet, the inner roll comes out easily. Then gently squeeze out the excess water. The mass should be damp but not dripping. Shape it into something like a donut. Pour fabric softener in your chosen scent over it, just enough so the paper soaks it up well. Next, sprinkle laundry scent beads on top. These small beads have a very concentrated fragrance that releases slowly and lasts a long time. Place everything on a colorful plate. Now just find a spot in the bathroom, ideally near the toilet. Put your homemade, uniquely shaped air freshener there. Your bathroom will have an intense, fresh scent that will be released gradually, neutralizing unpleasant odors. The effect can last for several weeks.